Children Kungala and all Dharma brothers and sisters. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to express my warm greetings and best wishes for all of you. And then also I would like to thank you very much for giving us a very traditional and warm reception upon our arrival here in Sakya Phuntsok ling. And I have a very deep memories, happy memories of being here. I think it was in 1991 when I bestowed the Lamde teachings. And I stayed here for a long time, and it was very happy. And I still have a very fresh memories from that visit. And also I visited here later several times. I think the last one was in 2016. Is that right?
That's Your Holiness.
Yes. So it's only 1 year for. So now again I'm very happy to be back here and spending some time with you. It is our common love and devotion to the Buddha Dharma which brought us together and get to know each other and keeps us always linked together wherever we are. And although every one of us trying to find the happiness, but the main happiness we could not accomplish through material ways, through outer methods. The only way to accomplish that is through the spiritual practice. And I know that Buddha Dharma is now come to the West, and Kimbukasa and Chudungungala and all the monks, younger members worked very hard to establish. In many years ago, we kind of planted the seed, and now it's still growing with the Rinpoche, Tunjala, and everyone working together here. Still going on. It's a kind of very amazing. It's very, very encouraging to see, and we hope that this will continue grow, and it will benefit many people, and many people will be able to comprehend the profound teachings of the Buddha, and it will change their lives so that it will remove their sufferings and find the real peace and happiness, and not only for themselves but also can help other beings. So gradually that will spread to many parts of the world, so that eventually we will have this world more peaceful, more happier, and more harmonious. And today that the world faces many difficulties, and many of them external problems, internal problems, all actually depends on our own human mind. When human mind is so strongly controlled by the negative emotions such as greed and desire and anger and jealousy and competitions and things like that, then all kinds of things. For example, through the greed, they create so much so-called progress is made, and through that then we have many natural disasters such as the floods and fire and all kinds of problems. Then internally also there are so many different kinds of disease, especially many people have mental problems. Mind is, even among the Tibetans I find there's so many people come to see me, and they all have, although life is much comfortable here than when they are in India, but still their mind is not happy. They lack of something. Their mind is not happy. The people themselves, they hate themselves, and even the children also have many problems. And this all, I think, the root lies in our own mind. Our own mind, when it is so controlled by the negative emotions, then we have such problems. So to tackle that problem is through the spiritual practice. And through the spiritual practice, then we could change our mind, and then not only will solve our internal problems, but also outside problems, or at least it will kind of reduce so much problems. So therefore, I think it is very important for us to practice Dharma. And to practice Dharma, the very first step is you have to study. You have to know what is Dharma, what is the Buddha's teachings. It is not easy because Buddha's teaching is vast like oceans. But according to our own ability, even as little as spoonful will be very great help. So therefore we must all try our hard to understand the very profound meanings of the Buddha's teachings, and try to practice that teaching in our everyday life. And so for the next few days I will be giving initiations and teachings, and so this will kind of hopefully will kind of establish some kind of seed so that eventually will benefit many people. So thank you very much once again to everybody, and very happy to be here. Thank you very much.
Thank you. bao du bar we truyền lệ trên sam pe wang ge chao po shak thiên so nam da trim din se ji sa ji ma tu sam gom ve rin chin du man se che so som dan ja thêm pa rin chi chak cho re wang lum por thiên ju so ja wa ni pa je sun go ma nge ja thiên chi chu ngen ju se ma shi ja we long song sa mo lo shi nam ja wa ji xin pen zi shang thiên so Phuntsok cha si tu ji ta shi pa pa len sakya chu si pa pa ne Phuntsok ling se pe jin du chong chong chi sang sum do je ta thiên so lu ri la ma chok sum tu je dang ji tan thiên sum ya so tu to dang chu ni sa mo jo mi te me tu